The aura is a subtle energy field that surrounds the physical body. It's often described as a luminous energy field that contains information about a person's emotional, mental, and spiritual state. While many people may not be aware of their aura, it can play a significant role in their overall well-being. The aura is composed of several layers, each of which corresponds to different aspects of a person's being. The outermost layer is the spiritual layer, which represents a person's connection to the divine. The mental layer is the next layer, and it represents a person's thoughts and mental state. The emotional layer is the layer closest to the physical body, and it reflects a person's emotional state. The colors of the aura can vary, and each color has its own meaning. For example, red represents passion and energy, while blue represents calmness and clarity. Yellow is associated with creativity and intellect, while green represents growth and healing. The colors of the aura can change depending on a person's emotional, mental, or spiritual state. While many people may not be able to see their aura, they can still sense it. For example, if you've ever walked into a room and felt like the energy was heavy or negative, you may have been sensing the aura of the people in the room. Similarly, if you've ever been around someone who had a positive and uplifting energy, you may have been picking up on their aura. One of the most important aspects of the aura is its ability to be influenced by our thoughts, emotions, and experiences. When we experience trauma, stress, or negative emotions, our aura can become imbalanced or disrupted. This can lead to physical or emotional symptoms, such as fatigue, anxiety, or depression. Fortunately, there are many techniques that can be used to cleanse and balance the aura. Meditation and visualization can help to clear negative energy and restore balance to the energy field. Energy healing modalities, such as Reiki or acupuncture, can also be used to help balance the aura. It's also important to protect our aura from negative energies that can impact our well-being. This can be done by setting energetic boundaries, such as visualizing a protective shield around ourselves or our homes. We can also practice self-care and engage in activities that nourish our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. In order to connect with our aura and gain insights into our energy field, we can use guided meditation and visualizer.